Next, transition metal ions form a catalytic property. So this catalytic property, I told you, catalytic, I mean nickel, palladium, platinum, all having the catalytic property most probably. So the D block element shows the variable oxidation state. In previous topics we saw it has a variable oxidation state, as they can form a intermediate products with various reactants. One reason. Second thing is it capable of forming interstitial compounds. Interstitial compounds which can absorb and activate the reacting species. Interstitial compounds means I told you, if I ask four students to come and sit means down means you are sitting here, here, and another students will come and sit in front of you. Another will come and sit in front of you. Then for fifth girl, I'm asking to come front means they will come and sit in between of the four students. So that is called interstitial position. There are four students are there between the four students. Center we have one place that is called as a interstitial position. In that, if the student is a very lean, means she will come and occupy in that lesson, in that space, in that void. It is called as a interstitial compounds. So bigger atoms will when the four atoms are joined together, there will be a void will be present. Space will be present. Produces to that space or that void, that small atom, small size of the atom can be accommodated in that. For example, calcium is a bigger size than the carbon. Carbon is very smaller size. So when you insert the carbon into the smaller space with the calcium, it form a calcium carbide. This calcium carbide is interstitial compound. So interstitial compound means I told you four atoms here, here, top, down to top to. There is a space in between the four atoms. In that space, small atom can be accommodated so that they form a interstitial compound. That, for example, calcium carbide. So calcium is a bigger in size and carbide is a smaller size of the atom will go and fix into that particular space. So it produces calcium carbide compound, interstitial compound. This calcium carbide interstitial compound is used for the ripening of the artificial ripening you can use. In the shop where we can see so many mangoes or fresh mango will be there, but immediately overnight they will ripen artificially. So artificial ripening, we can use this calcium carbide stone can be placed in the mango. The next day immediately uniformity of the ripening of the mango fruits we can see it will come to the shop. So that is called very dangerous. So for that is called interstitial compounds can be formed by using the transition. This is set only for illustration to understand what is interstitial compound, which can absorb and activate the reacting species. For example, iron for a Haber process of ammonia. We are preparing ammonia by using Haber process. We are using iron as a catalyst. In contact process, the sulfuric acid is produced. So the catalyst is vanadium pentoxide. Manufacture of polythene, titanium tetrachloride used as a catalyst. So these are the process using the transition element acts as a catalyst. So the main concept. So here variable oxidation state plus 3 to plus 7. Then participation of N minus 1D NS. Especially the additive electrons, the extra, as the atomic number increases, the additive electrons are going add to the penultimate shell. So this is called the additive electrons are adding, go on adding progressively. They are adding only to the penultimate shell of N minus 1D orbitals. Presence of active site. Transition metals will have the active site. Active sites means imperfection. Then and there will be some cracks will be there. So in that reactant species go in attack. For example, if you want to paint this portion means this is very smooth portion means that when you paint it, it will take only lesser volume. If it is more, if it, for example, stone we are taking. Stone is not a so smooth. So it have imperfections in their sides. So when you apply the paint on that, it will take more volume of paint is required for painting the stones because that is very rough. So there is an imperfect site is called as a presence of active sites. So transition metals will have that type of sites means when you add any reacting species to this transition metals, they will capture immediately, then will give the reaction will be very fast. So that is called, it lowers the activation of energy and form the products. So the activation energy will be lesser and product will be formed in a quick manner. So now types of catalyst and applications of catalyst. So powdered ion, instead of being a solid ion, if you take powdered ion, the surface area will be greater. So the powdered ion used as a catalyst in the Haber process of ammonia. Then platinum and iridium mixture, it is used in preparation of nitric oxide of Ostwald process, oxidation of ammonia to nitric oxide. Rani nickel, even this also powdered nickel used in the hydrogenation of oil. So vegetable oil or animal oil, this thing we will get a vanaspati. So in the oil or fat, that is vegetable fat or vegetable oil, when you add this Rani nickel, immediately they will be hydrogenated and give the vanaspati. Vanaspati is nothing but ghee or dalda. So these are the preparation of main concept by using this type of catalyst. In exam, they will give only process and they will ask you the definite catalyst you should say. And Fenton's reagent. This is one more question. Fenton's reagent is nothing but the mixture of ferrous sulfate and hydrogen peroxide. Sometimes in exam they will give Fe2 plus H2O2. What is the name? So Fe2 plus is a ferrous sulfate. So H2O2 hydrogen peroxide. So either in a full form or in an ionic form they will be given. It is called Fenton's reagent. This reagent used for the oxidation of primary alcohol to aldehyde. So for example, oxidation of oxidation of benzene to phenol is using, and also primary alcohol oxidation to aldehyde. Ziegler-Natta catalyst. So this Ziegler-Natta catalyst is nothing but for the polymerization of ethylene. Polythene bag, plastic bag, it is called polythene bag. So polythene bag, polymerization of ethylene, we are getting polythene. For this catalyst is Ziegler-Natta catalyst. Ziegler-Natta catalyst also will be as a MCQ. That is one of the one mark question. Titanium tetrachloride, the mixture of titanium tetrachloride plus aluminium triethyl. So triethyl aluminium. So aluminium valency is 3, so ethyl group 3. So triethyl aluminium plus a titanium tetrachloride is called as a Ziegler-Natta catalyst. And synthesis of alcohol, methanol, methyl alcohol and ethyl alcohol all are nothing but a methyl alcohol is a spirit. Ethyl alcohol only is called as a beverages. If you take, there is a one in alcohol lesson also I said, if you take ethyl alcohol, you will dance. If you take methyl alcohol, others will dance, I said. Because if you take ethyl alcohol, you will lose all your consciousness, automatically will start to dance. You cannot stand straightly. So then if you take methyl alcohol, immediately you will get a optic nerve will be attacked. So you will lose your vision and then it will attack the central nervous system. Within 1 or 2 hours, you will die. So that what happens, that is called after you die, that others will be dancing. So that I said to understand the methyl alcohol is very poisonous one. Ethyl alcohol is a beverages. So if you take ethyl alcohol, you will dance, and if you take methyl alcohol, others will dance, I said. So methyl alcohol is a very poisonous alcohol. Synthesis of this poisonous alcohol, we need Adams catalyst. This also one mark. What is Adams catalyst? Platinum oxide, PtO2 is called as a Adams oxide. So remember all the catalyst and say correctly to the process. Then 11 more, 6 more catalyst of palladium and barium sulfate is called as a Lindlar's catalyst. Lindlar's catalyst is nothing but palladium and barium sulfate. It is used for the hydrogenation of alkynes and alkenes. So this will alkynes, hydrogenation of alkynes will give the cis alkenes. So for this is called as a Lindlar catalyst. Then platinized asbestos. So contact process, oxidation of sulfur dioxide to sulfur trioxide. In this sulfur trioxide is dissolved in water, we can prepare a sulfuric acid. And cupric chloride, it is used as a decons process. In this decons process, oxidation of hydrochloric acid to chlorine preparation. And ferric oxide, Fe2O3, Bosch process. In this, we can prepare hydrogen. Bosch process is called hydrogen. Burgess process is called as a petrol is prepared from coal. So Bosch process for hydrogen using catalyst is ferric oxide. Burgess process also ferric oxide as a catalyst, but synthesis of petrol from the coal. And lead chamber process, like contact process, this is a lead chamber process, and nitric oxide is a catalyst, so sulfuric acid is present. Even contact process, sulfuric acid preparation, lead chamber process, sulfuric acid preparation. But in contact process, platinized asbestos is used as a catalyst. Asbestos is nothing but it is like a fiber content like platinum. So it is a lead chamber, nitric oxide is a catalyst. So read all the catalyst with the respective process. Thanks for watching, students.